Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to enable voice chat in Roblox without ID. So let's start. I found this answer, the support on Roblox official forum, so we can read what the users just said. So for example, it says that few months ago it connected to American Wi-Fi connection and it turned instantly. So also it says that if you want to try it, you can verify your phone number and email through authority programs. And also it says that you must obtain a US VoIP phone number and specify it in your account settings, and you will immediately get it. So it says how you can get this, and well, you can try to do it. It's very easy, I think. So you can start using this without any problem, boys. So go to your Roblox account and try to this part that says that you obtain your non-voice phone number. When you do it, probably you can get the voice chat without ID. So guys, well, I hope this video works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumb up to this video.